Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so yesterday morning we talked about 94 to 95 sealing off as resistance. We took advantage of that level two nights ago, short 91s. They took it down yesterday. They made another lower low in the area of 36. It turned into a really nice long trade from in and around 43. So we shorted it down into those lows from 91, covered that, did some different stuff. I mean, it was down 40 to 43. It was really chopping it around, and then we did the 43 long. Last night, though, into the news, 74.75 became the new area that price just could not deal with, and that was the area that we identified as a short. It shorted, it came down to 52, back up to 74. Now we're back down. Traded as low as 49 and change. Now we're back up to 60. So call it a 25 handle range between 50 and 75, and that's basically been your Globex session. I think, to put it mildly, we are going to be in a high news environment today with everything that's going on with the tariff negotiations. So all the similar admonishments, use stops, take profits where you have them. Don't fight price, don't add to losing trades, don't turn day trades into swing trades, all that stuff, and it'll keep you out of most of your trouble. So hourly chart, you can see the last 5 sessions has been about failing at the pre-FOMC price, failing at weekly pivot, putting in a series of lower highs, lower lows, sealing off 95, sealing off 75, and we'll see if they can follow up with another lower low today. We're on a lower Bollinger Band ride on the daily chart. So 4 sessions engaged with that lower band. You can see the bands trying to expand just a little bit. We're at 3 and change on the bandwidth. Real briefly, let's look at a 5-minute chart. So this is just an expanded version of the 5-minute chart that we use in the room all day. So you can see the spike up to 89, that was on the news. Then as we got into the area where the tariffs actually went into effect, you can see multiple looks, 76s. You had a pop to 77.5, 76 and change. And then the move down in the low 50s, up, back. So, 74, 75. If you traded Globex last night, that was a gift that kept on giving. We don't do that a ton, but on news nights like that, where you have levels like that, after what happened with 95, that's why we have our nighttime alerts, and we had a bunch of people that take advantage of that. So as we head into today, you've got volume weighted average price coming together with the red line here. The red line is the hourly mid-band. So 67 is going to be a thing if we continue to walk this price up. Here's daily pivot, 64 and change. Ideally, you see, if you're a bear, you see price stop somewhere between our proprietary moving average here that it's been testing for the last 10 minutes or so to 67. You don't want to really get back to 74. You certainly don't want to see 74 converted. If you see 74 converted, then that's the road to 95. But the gigantic 800-pound elephant in the room caveat is news is going to drive it. So you got to be careful. If we get up and over 74 up into 95 today, it's going to be because some piece of news popped it. If we break 36 and change and we head much lower today, it's going to be because some piece of news dumped it. So let's understand exactly what's going on in this particular environment. It is respecting levels, but the fuel behind the moves is news related. So you convert the 5-minute mid-band here. This is yesterday's opening price at 56. That gives you an opportunity to try to wind some of this off and get back here. What the bulls would love would be to have today getting through the news cycle and establishing today's low as a higher low versus this 36 quarter, then converting 75, converting 95, and heading back up into something with a 29 on it. All right. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll have more stuff out on social. Come check out the room. I mean, we are in day protection mode, week protection mode, and month protection mode at this point. Just taking advantage of the trades that are coming with us. Taking good setups, not over trading it, and just really trying to respect risk. All right, take care. Trade them well. See you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.